شك هذا دي شك وفيان لا غادي ويالو سفيان عروس.
Yes. So do you marry?
دار اوكي ولكن هذا قبل كلب فيان اوكي. It's not about the height. It's not.
لكن أنا كجاون.
أنا جاو that's why أنا دار أنا ما
أنا لكن جاون جاون.
أنا دار ودا
Hakuda is like what happened.
ولا
Month is like today.
yeah I know I وفهم today اسمع أنت رمضان مبارك دمان شمالي نفع مع أنت وحنجوجا وبير فيلا دوري
Villa there, yes.
يعني صاحب كيو محمد أيو دي جي مصطفى دي جي مصطفى كرامة the best cameraman أيو صاحب كي
Lilmo.
the TikTok nigga so Manta we are doing Somali challenge yeah
Jimmy, yes.
أنا أيو Lilmo Somali challenge أنا ما أنت أنا الصومالي مرة أنا بارو.
Yes, you have to know Somali language.
Like I know Somali before now. I know what I
Better than me.
what I
Hakuda is like what happened.
what happened. See, so that means I'm not teaching.
Say like I need some sugar.
أنا سكر وأنا
So no, today we are stay at Tom's house.
I welcome. So
That is like what happened.
what happened. See, so that means I'm not teaching.
Say like I need some sugar.
أنا سكر وأنا
So no, today we are stay at Tom's house.
I welcome. So there was a career section.
Hey everybody, I'm here.
Speak
My
Somali.
brother of Somali.
Somali واحد
وأنا سلام دمنتين أصحابتا زكريا وحنا أنا صاحبكيس محمد أما ليلمو تيك توكر وحنا من لي هاي ما تحسمرنا challenge about Somali and English. زكريا سيد وحنا قانا معنا في Somali سفعنا وقانا وضعي مركا وأركنا نرصعد.
هذا وصاب له هذه مرة محمد
So you what's your name?
أنا زكريا
Zikri, do you know how to speak Somali?
وحيرة فهم لكن حتى أنا سيف يعني وفهم
More than me. Okay, it's like today we are in Tommy's house.
تومس هاوس يا هدا تومس إن شاء الله بري تومس
Oh, si fiican u yaqaan waxa ay kara commentiina ku soo qortiin. Zikriya is more than better than you.
أي
Ay kara waa meesha dibadda. So, how you see?
لا ولا شيء ده الصومالي سيف يعني أدي مع بورستي
Aniya, may.
محا أدي ما بورسن
I'm still single.
محا أدي سنجل حتى أدي you are up to this age no marriage كودا
So I need to get some more money. When I get a work, then I make saving money, then I get
لكن it's not about more money that can give you wife أدي
وشقينا أضيع شقينا
شقينا أنا هذا I'm still searching.
You have to get married in Somali.
هذا still on searching.
ما يعني قبل Somali أنا بقول ترى
هاي هداني عدي وأركز قبل
أنا قبل ذلك
دار أوكي ولكن هدا قبل كلب فيان أوكي it's not about the height it's not
لكن أنا كجوال
أنا قاوة that's why أنا دار أنا دار أنا ما
أنا لكن قبل جوال
أنا دار so أنا قاوة so it's good I have قبل دار I often
who is better Somali language me
أنا what
no for me
you أدي أف Somali أف English أدي قبل أنا أف Somali أقول أدي ولا
even the English is like kind of
your English like kind of American English أنا Ghanese English لكن حتى Somali أنا Somali
best American
you need American
yes,
life
American life yes
that's why you are teaching Boga so Ade you like football you like football
no
hold on
I play sometimes like in Abu Dhabi
لكن ما جاش like هذا أدي هذا مش هذا أدي هذا
in Somali
ah
Somali football team take it
كده بان واي بس أنا يرتو ده كده أدي إيش قال يصير ده كده رون إيش كهذا هوش كهذا أدي تعبير
كده يعني هذا كان واحد Somali أو أتاير أو نادي
ده كده
but لكن my friend Zikri is a player of Tikita so I have to
وما سمعت شو ده
support them
أي لكن مرة أنا إلمان واي إلمان لبسنا MCC لبسنا حتى بكده maybe I will end my career بكده in Somalia أما so which of the three are they ما دعونا Somali football Oriental Somali ما دعونا
no
why you don't watch who that
because I only have time funny like
okay which are they
Somali or
Somali
Somali
I mean هدا أنا Somali everything about Somali هدا كديب Somali then we go in EPL
Somali player that stopped now film again
بلا مهدي مران striker
this
your best friend أنا سيدو كلامي صاحبتي في أنواع لكن هدا نعرف وجهه
Abd is king yes
هدا نعرف
Abd king جرا صاحبته أنا
سفيان أنا مهدي بيلي نمتيان كلب في أنواع أنا سيدو كالي أنا بيلي إلمان we play together in Elman for half sun kadi so not so I think Orsede yeah so marwal ba ane yo play wa ko hadlo about hal uzbu kadi ane bile wa ko hadlo ama afri ma'alim wa kadi wa hadlo wa ko shega ni se hadda wala ba Europe so that's why he went to
king
لكن كدب بلي هذا وش you like this like دفاع you don't know
ما بقى أخاني ما في رسالة Somali
okay عادي ما في رسالة
ما في رسالة yes
okay أنا
بس لكن
عادي
it's been
شوف وما أقول له إن كان أنوار الشكندة
أنا شكون yes I hate
وهي أنوار الشكندة Abbas Amin.
Abbas Amin, yes.
What about Idris Amin?
Idris Amin. Idris Amin. Wow, maklasa.
Okay. Who's Kohada? Abbas Amin, Idris Amin, Hedrika, and Bashka. كل ده كده عادي ولا بولو لكن اوكي شوف mahadshini Farhandoko Kubai yo atosh which made play which Kohada Farhandoko mahadshini Kubai atosh Kohada which Kohada Riyal وش كل شمال البريمير ليج ولكن وش تيم Arset. You win this one. What about Billy Malone? Billy Elmi? Wallich. Billy Elmi, Wallich. Okay, Sufiano, let me see. Aliere, China. Aliere, China, Abdul Fattah, Yusuf, Mudu Baraka. Then can you lose your MCC? What about Mata, Said Mata, Liban, Said Mata, Liban, Ahmed Talib, who's Kohada, who's two. One is coach. Ahmed Talib is coach. Like in Liban, Mata, Said Mata, all for one club. This club.
James.
You win, eh? I will give you $1.
Money.
$1, okay, Skadaf, $1 will not give you $1. Kunshiro, Kunshiro, okay, okay, $1.
That's good money.
$1 marafta. Okay, I know, see $1, inshallah. Ada, you win the game. Whose team was Mustafa? DJ Mustafa playing before. Who's Kohada? The best cameraman. Final answer. Final answer.
Elmo.
Lose, Dick Dawa. The best cameraman was Dick the player before. You lose. You lose the $1. Another سؤال أنا وكويدي أديوه. Let me see. Which player win Somali top scorer 3 consecutive seasons? Which Somali Premier League. One season. Consecutive or good Leicester. Top scorer. Come on. I give you another 2 chances. No, Kubai. Right. Approach is even midfielder. Approach goes for goals. Approach assists more goals. It's a playmaker.
Okay.
last chance. Last chance. Last chance.
I can't say his name.
You are forgetting his name, eh? How is
His
there
name
Amang
something
Gao
like
Gao?
Pogba.
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 Is it Benteke?
No.
It's not Benteke. It's not Anwar Shakunda.
No.
It's not Benteke, it's not Anwar Shakunda, not Mahashimi.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, Anwar Shakunda, top scorer, you are right, for 3 consecutive seasons. Me and him, Anwar, one season, last season, right? Elman, he picked 2 consecutive top scorer, then back to MC's, Deketa, or goalist again, Anwar Shakunda, bravo, eh? Inshallah, next season, I want you to score more goals for me again, inshallah. Lacking the best defender, the only defender that scores more goals last season was me. DJ, will you support him? You cannot help him.
If I try that question,
Huh? At first, it's midfielder. Yeah, but the defender does score more goals in last season. At first, assist more goals. Like in defender does score more goals. Kumbai is midfielder. We have Aliadi, we have Banu, we have Banu is there, we have Captain Issa, we have Billy Elmi.
Season ka hadda lagu jira ninka ugu gola badnaa.
We have Zakaria, we have Ethiopia, but Badam and Difa Badam
Oo gool dhaliyan.
the one that called was last season. Last final answer.
Ethiopia.
You are wrong, it was Zakaria. Zakaria was the only player, the only defender that scores 5 goals last season. And who was the top scorer for MCC last season? Yeah. Don't know. That means you don't watch MCC games. And Zakaria was the top scorer for MCC. Top scorer for MCC was Zakaria Ishaq, and the top. We have Atosh, we have Hassan Santos, we have Malik, we have Kubai, we have Banu, we have Captain Issa, we have Captain Abbas, we have Idris, we have Abdul Rahman Maman, we have it's Bobby you, Bom Bom, Zaki, hi, how are you? Yay,
How are you?
Zaki. This one I forget. Jajara. I only understand the Jajara. I forget.
That was a challenge like that.
So you tomorrow, yeah.
Adaa kuu sameynayna.
Hi, inshallah. So tomorrow what time?
Inshallah, we will see the time. So we're recording a video out of there on TikTok. Then بعد الأفر عمل.
Afro.
بعد الأفر we will do our challenge. Inshallah.
But after we do at least 2 challenges. We do this challenge and then
Then we do our challenge or
our
حاجة أما هي ماذا حداتي واحد يسبيلنا.
Mosque.
Yes, mosque.
I DRY.
mosque دالي. So hadda waa aragteen wax walba inaan ninkan af Soomaaliga aan ka bariyo.
أنا عبد الشمال أنا وبر حتى أنا قولست وإن كان بولا واي.
Hadda ani waa laga guuleystay. Laakiin next step waxa arki doontiin ano wax badan ninkan ka badinayo. Hadda wuu iga badiyay. واسي مفهمتين I am a loser he is a winner no so marka waxaa idin leenahay nala socda wax badan oo idinka aadan ogeynina soo socda oo more interested wax badan xiisan doontiina soo socda oo challenge badan idin soo wadnaa nala socda videoga saaxiibka u share garay subscribe leh dadka asxaabtaada la wadaag mafahantين Zakariya Isaaq wax badan subscribe baa lagu soo dhuftay nimayo meesha wax badan soo socda
hay hadda muqaal wadana asalaam
bye bye waa nasiibtii Ramadan Kareem
Ramadan Mubarak